Good evening guys. Flex ko lang yung weather natin for tonight. It's a yellow ray signal now here in Hong Kong. Let's see guys. Good evening guys. It's yellow rain signal now here in Hong Kong. Please take care everyone. Ayan, ang lakas ng ulan guys. OMG. It's heavy rain. Yellow signal number rain signal. It's yellow rain signal. OMG. Yeah. Ang lakas ng ulan dito. Uy. It's something umuulan guys. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Ang lakas ng ulan. OMG. Yan guys. Do you heard that? Yan sa dagat natin. Oh. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. May thunderstorm pa. Yan. Good evening. It's thunderstorm here. Wow. It's yellow signal. Rain here in Hong Kong for tonight guys. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ayan. Medyo tumila-tila. Panay yung ulan guys. Good evening. May flex din ako. Ang weather natin po tonight. Ayan. Kumikulog, kumikidlat. Ang lakas ng ulan guys. OMG. Ayan guys. Yan yung ship. Yan yung dagat natin. Ayan, lumalakas na naman yung ulan guys. OMG. Malakas ng ulan. Wow. The weather is rain. Yellow rain signal here in Hong Kong tonight. Weather. Ayan, kumukulog guys. OMG. Diyan sa baba, malakas ng ulan. Uy, kumukulog. Lakas ng ulan guys. Oh no. The weather for tonight ay yun yung ship guys. Oh. Kadaong ay. Hindi kidlat. Kadaong yung ship. Oh, ang lakas ng ulan. Oh, raining. It's raining guys. You see my hand. Raining in the truth. It's rainy night. Malakas ang hangin. Ang weather ay sobrang kumikidlat guys. Natatakot ako sa kidlat. Close natin yung bintana. Wow. It's raining guys. Typhoon. Yellow rain. May yellow rain din, may black rain guys. Tapos ngayon yellow rain. Now ko lang narinig ang yellow rain. Oh yeah, malakas ng kidlat guys. Bakit kaya may bagyo? April may bagyo. Wow, the rain is, do you hear that? Thunderstorm. The thunderstorm. Oh yeah. Well, let's open. Yes, I have water in my hand. You see that, guys? There's. Oh, I have a lot of water. Uy. The raining is raining. So scared. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan mo, ang lakas ng ulan. Yellow rain signal in Hong Kong. Flex natin ang ating raining. Yan, kumikidlat, umuulan, ang lakas ng ulan sa baba guys. You see the weather there. OMG. Ayan. Nagwiwing-wing na sila dyan sa dagat. Sabi nila, be careful, because the raining is very, very, very heavy rain. Oh. Nagwiwing-wing yung patrol sa dagat, guys. They warning on the seaside. Sea. Bawal mag-travel yung mga ship ngayon tonight because of yellow black rain. Ooh, OMG. Let's see the yellow black rain in Hong Kong. Ang lakas ng hangin, kidlat and raining. Oh yeah. Ganyan guys. Yan ang ating black rain here in Hong Kong. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a blessed evening. God bless po.
Baka wala na yun. Baka nabisi din siya.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sweet My Vlogs. God bless po sa lahat na nag-nood ng aking video. I love you all, guys. Thank you.